Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the customer support bot. So what exactly it is? An AI powered customer support chatbot built with RAG, LangChain, Claude. You feed it your own documents like FAQ, policies, product info, and it answers customers' questions accurately based on only on the knowledge, no hallucination. So whatever you are just providing the txt files, on it they will search it and give you the answers, right? So these are the steps that how to run it. Okay, so Python. So here you can see that you can ask like the model. Okay, and here are the chat commands: help, sources, clear, and the quit, and how it works. So first of all, ingest, retrieve, and the answer. Okay, so first reads your .txt file, splits them into the small chunks, converts them into the numbers, embeddings, and stores them into the local chroma database on a disk. Retrieve, so when user asks a question, the bot searches the database for the most relevant chunks, and if there is a previous conversation, the question of the is first rewritten to be the standalone, so the search makes sense in the context. Answer, Claude reads the retrieved chunks plus the conversation history and writes an accurate, grounded answer. It will not make things up. If the answer is not in the document, it say so honestly. Okay, so which files we have made, that is main.py, chat CLI rich interface, ingest.py load and embeds the documents into the chroma, source.bot.py core rag chain support session class, prompts.py system prompts, area persona query rewrite prompt. Then we have a knowledge base, three knowledge base we have added, that is simple fact, 15 questions, sample product catalog, sample return shipping warranty policies, requirements.txt file, all Python dependencies. Okay, then adding your knowledge to the base, drop any txt or md files to the knowledge base folder, run python ingest.py, and the bot will now answer from new documents. Okay, Python library that use as a Python library, you can say these are the post session, retriever session, and this. Okay, so these are the things and the models that we have available: Opus, Sonnet, and Heku, right? And these are the commands. So first of all, install this one. In the env file, you have to set the key of the Claude, then run this one, then ingest, then you can chat. Let's take a demo. So here you can see that we have already the demo, right? So tech customer support. So here you can see that I said hi and it said that welcome to tech shop. So I asked him like, how do I track my order? So great question here, how to track the order. So whatever, yeah, and he give me the answer like, visit the tech shop dot orders, enter your order and email addresses, you will receive the tracking link and all this. So basically it retrieves the data from this knowledge base and I just copy it from here. How do I track my order? So he just copy from all this data and give it to me, and I can also ask this question from this. So let's see, can I change or I cancel my order? Now area is thinking like this and it will give you the answer. Of course, there are policy of change of cancellation, orders can be modified, cancel, and so you can see full answers here. You can see that it has answers and it is modified and give me the plain, like in a good way it has written down everything, right? So you can see that this is a full-fledged customer bot. You have to just feed the take the txt file from their knowledge base, you have to feed, and then from there it can read the data and give you the results accurately. Okay, so if I go and just see you the files, that is bot.py. So this is my first file, alt z. Okay, so here you can see that I have made this bot.py. Okay, so I'm just showing you the code base of that one. So if anyone want this code, just do let me know in the comment section. I'll provide you the code base of that one. Okay, so this is the prompts.py and the retrieves.py all z. Okay, so here you can see that chroma hugging fakes. Okay, I think I have added one more thing over there. That is, here you can the tech stack that we have a Claude, LangChain, LangGraph, Chroma, Hugging Face, all mini LM, L6 and V2, and the terminal UI we are using the Rich. Okay, so this is what we are using. So this is the Hugging Fix code, and yeah, and this is the chunks. You can see that the index kit is provide the chunks, and all the data is going over in the chunks going there. Okay, and this is our knowledge base fact.txt policy and the products where we have knowledge base, and after that we first ingest, then now we can ask the question from the terminal, right? So this is the full-fledged customer bot where you can ask the questions. Any doubt, any query in that, just to let me know in the comment section. I'll provide you with the everything. And let's check the last part, that is a requirement.txt. So what I have used, that is a LangChain, LangChain Anthropic, LangChain Community, Chroma, Hugging Face, Text Splitter, Transformer, Sentence Transformer, Chroma DB, Python.env, and the Rich. So these are the Python packages that I am using to make this customer bot. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.